In high school, I got my first band tape. It was a VHS tape. It had like local high school bands, and it of course had a lot of footage from the Blue and Gold marching machine of the illustrious North Carolina Agricultural and Technical State University. Hashtag loyalty. And that getting that first tape kind of started me with my love of band footage, buying it, making my own footage, going out there filming bands, kind of really, you know, back in the olden days where it was like Real Player and, just in the first inception of video, getting MP3s, burning CDs of, MP3s of bands playing, really love, really love band footage and really love, especially HBCU band footage. And in high school, I joined this forum called Marching Central, which became Showtime Magazine, where I got to meet and get cool with a lot of band heads like myself from all across the country. And we're all kind of on this journey, going to college and stuff like that. So it's good to stay cool with a lot of those people. And one of those people, Malik, reached out to me about helping brand his YouTube channel. So when he started talking about, what he wanted for it, he was talking about doing things for like having like raw unadulterated band footage, having a retro style of filming bands. So with that, my mind immediately went back to that first VHS tape. I explored other options, but the VHS tape was the first and main centerpiece I wanted to work with. I drew the VHS, played with the center, it contains the musical staff in the center if you notice, 5 lines, 4 spaces. The musical staff works well within the confines of the VHS tape. He wanted island color, so I actually used the eyedropper tool in Illustrator to take from an island, slash beach scene. He really liked the tape idea, and he wanted to combine it with the valves that I made on another suggestion, another concept. So the valves, I came with the concept because he played euphonium, so I wanted to include, kind of slide that in there. I like adding touches like that in designs. You know what I'm saying? Designer with meaning, I love to do that. So I added the valves, come up within the VHS tape. At one point there was like the horn part of it at the end, but the horn was kind of left out on the next round because, it's just a little too much. And then when adding the valves to the tape, we added some accents, to give it some depth, After that, it was playing around with the colors and the typography of everything, and then boom. It was a fun project to work on, it's always fun, do stuff with people you're cool with for a cause that you really support. And, love HBCU bands, love the show style band type atmosphere. So I'm always down to help, always down. And it was just fun to kind of come up with these concepts. And I'm glad everything worked out. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe his channel, Malik's videos. I'll link that up in the description and possibly put that somewhere up here. Yeah, and that's it for me on this episode. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comment section down below what you think of the design. And remember, as you go along in life, teach as you learn and inspire as you do. See you next time.